Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I have two things to unpackage and unbox today. One of them is a diamond painting pen, and then the other one is a diamond painting. So this is another pen from TJ from the diamond painting custom diamond painting pins by TJ on the Facebook group. I know you guys have seen me do quite a few of these already, so you guys know that I love their pins. And this one is a really cool one. It took a while to get to me this time. I know the mail's really messed up though, so that has nothing to do with them at all. The actual USPS is really a mess at this point. I know last time I couldn't get this out of the thing either. This one is really cool though. It is wood on one side. This side has got the resin and it is painted in here with glitter, and then there's like clay American flags in there. So I'm really excited about this one. It's really pretty. I just really like that one a lot. So there's my first package. Sorry, I'm trying to clean up the trash. I don't want to just throw everything to the side. So that's number one, and then this one is one of the diamond paintings that I ordered for my husband, and I already unboxed the first version of this. You can see that this is super crushed. I'm hoping that it survives, that it's not horribly damaged, because it is really smashed. So the first one we got, I wasn't happy with the quality. I think the size was a big problem. Trying to not cut myself. Anyhow, so I decided to order it from AliExpress in a bigger size, and hopefully it comes out better. So I ordered this on AliExpress from Pengali or something, PENGLEI, off, like I said, AliExpress. It's a 55 by 55 round, and I ordered this on June 19th, and I received it on August 4th, and it was $22.96 shipped. So, like I said, we can see how smashed this box is, so fingers crossed. And it is really squished, and it is double-sided adhesive, so you know, we'll see how it goes. I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to actually move this out of the way so I can show you something that I just got today. I ordered it on Amazon, and it is just one of the large, I know a lot of people have these. It's the large, like, portfolio type cardboard poster board type thing. Anyhow, it was like $5 on Amazon, and I ordered it a few days ago, and it got here today. And that's actually where I'm going to be storing, especially these double-sided adhesive ones that come pretty smashed like this. It just feel like it will be a better way to keep them, if that makes sense. There's the loose diamond on the loose, and I did get the notification the other day from Shine Like a Diamond to so I paid her for the one that I won, the Darth Daddy from Mandy Manzano that I won for the silent auction for her daughter's service dog, and hopefully that comes in a week or so. That's going to be the one my husband will end up doing first, I'm sure, because it's really good quality canvas. It's really nice, so I'm excited about that. So toolkit is super basic. It is a pink pen, the like aluminum type tweezers, a couple baggies, a tray, and a plate of wax. Sorry about the crinkling. I feel like with all the technology on the planet, we can find a way to get the bags not to be so wrinkly, you know. All right, it has 30 colors, 69 bags of $9.39, which I'm actually surprised it's not 310s, because the other canvas I had, it was 310s, and by this there are no 310s at all, so that's interesting to me. So it has a lot of 939 though, and 78 of 5200. He's gonna love this. So yeah, wow, there's a lot of white in here. Tells you down here drill number 310, 38, 65, 50, 200. 3 colors. Have big bag. One small bag equals 200 pieces. One big bag equals 1,000, which equals 5 small bags. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. Trying to figure out the best way to tackle this guy. Okay, I'm gonna pause, you guys. I'm gonna try and fix this really quick so it's easier for me and you guys, and I'm not shaking you so much. Okay, so I pulled the camera up a little bit, try and get you guys a better view of it. Plus, I tried to push it down a little bit. Let's see here. So the glue comes out really far. It's about to here this way and about to there that way. I don't know if my camera is picking that up, but, and there's also the training wheels, which, you know, are not ideal, but it is what it is, right guys? But they look clear. They don't look like they're blurry. So that's good. I'm happy about that. This has been here for 2 days. By the time I'm recording it, you guys won't see it for probably a few more days. So it has been still sitting in the box for a couple days in a more controlled climate, so it's not been too cold or too hot, I mean. I'm going to measure this really quick. I know I'm shaking you guys. I'm sorry. It is almost exactly 55. It's just like a notch under. And I mean like just one notch. So, and then again, it's almost 55 both ways. So, I mean, it's really, really close. I just hate when my canvases come so squashed. Even though it's really smashed though, you can see, I mean, I think it's going to flatten nicely. There's no rivers or bubbles. It doesn't look like so far. I know I shouldn't probably say that until I see the whole thing. Don't want to count my chickens before they're hatched, so to speak. I really want to do this one or have my husband do this one, either way, because I think this is going to look like a really cool image done. I don't want to pull too hard because I don't want to cause any rivers or bubbles or any damage to the actual canvas that would make this problem any worse. So yeah, I'm going to use that little portfolio type poster board thing to be able to put these types of canvases under a mattress in the spare room to protect the canvases, but to let them be able to flatten out a little better, because I hate these problems. I don't like all the bubbles. The canvas I'm currently working on was folded like this, and it's actually not double-sided adhesive. It's actually mounted glue, and I wish I would have flattened that under something, because it is causing problems in the areas that it is. It's you know, because it rises up right in those types. And there is a couple bubbles in here, but they're minor, so I'll be able to just cut those out. Not a big deal. I don't even know if you can see them, but they're, like I said, minor. So anyhow, there is some like that type of issue on my other canvas that I'm working on, and I should have laid it flat like this under something prior to working on it, and I regret that I didn't. So I want to start doing that so I don't have problems. I'm going to count these off camera, and I'll let you know down below if I'm missing anything. If I don't say anything in the description box about anything missing, then you guys know I have everything. But we'll kind of look through a few of the things. So here's some of the 939, and I don't know if you can see on camera really well, but they look decent from here. The diamonds look okay. Doesn't look like there's a lot of problems with them. Something is broke open in one of these bags though, because I am having random loose drills everywhere, or a bag has a hole in it or something. There's the 5200 right there. I really like this color. I have it in at least one other canvas. I can't remember what one it is though right now, but it's like a really light mint green, and I just really think it's a pretty color. So obviously there's a ton of blue, but there is one of them is leaking all over the place. It's all in this bag too. So I mean, overall it looks pretty good. It looks like it's a good canvas minus the wrinkles in it, and those I think are fixable because they're not like anything major. There's not like a major problem with it. So yeah, I mean, I think it's a decent canvas. It's a lot better. The size of the image makes it, the size for the image makes it look a lot better than the last one I got. I'm going to go ahead and count these out, make sure I have everything, and clean up these random drills that are all over the place. But as always, I really want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank you for being a part of my little YouTube family right now. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I will do my best to answer as soon as I can. Thank you guys. Bye.